Something broke and people are doing it by themselves. Job which is for workers. Amazing. Why? Because it's 1,000 rupees, you say?
Yeah, for day for asking for little work people.
It's
That's why
good.
I do alone.
Yeah, but because you don't have the money to pay, no?
No, and that's also no working nothing. That's why I do.
Yes.
Very bad luck time.
And he is making it by his own. How did you make this? How did you cut this?
Some see
Hammer.
With hammer?
yeah,
Wow.
see like this.
Oh my God, yes.
Then
It took time, no?
what
They-
you doing? Nothing.
They can't
What
open
is-
the shop. Nobody is coming this side.
Yeah,
I was thinking maybe if you go near the temple and offer the Ganeshas and all this.
Yeah, I go every Monday.
Yeah, but no, to sit
Monday
there.
is tomorrow. No, but I going every Monday. The temple, Shiva temple.
Yeah, but you can sit with the statues there to offer.
Yeah.
Because many people pass by.
Right now.
I clean.
Yeah. And then maybe they can buy.
Yeah.
So everyone is doing themselves. If something breaks.